Bella, I'm surprised you're even getting that close to her. What happened last night, huh? What happened last night? Peanuts thinks it's funny. Peanuts remembers what happens last night. Did the bird bite? Bella. Bella, does the bird bite? Yeah. Yeah, it was horrible, wasn't it? Does the bird bite? Yeah, that bird. Did she bite? Yeah, did she bite you because you jumped up? Does the bird bite? You don't want to talk about it? You know, you didn't bleed or anything. You just got pinched, really. Doesn't matter, still hurt your feelings. Meanwhile, the bird just laughs about it.